What's up guys, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple silicone cases for the iPhone XR. Now these are made by Jasbon. You can get them on Amazon right now. I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check them out yourself, and if you do, please use that link because it helps me keep making videos for you guys. So these are pretty much like the Apple silicone cases that you can get by Apple at a fraction of the price, and these also come with a glass screen protector, which is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these and see how it looks on your iPhone 10. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. You get like a little manual kind of deal here. It tells you how to put on the screen protector and everything. Get your little happy card here. You get your wipes to clean off your screen before you put on your screen protector. Here is the screen protector itself. See, it's got the little cutout for the notch. Pretty nice. And here is the case. This is in red, obviously. It's got a nice microfiber inside so it doesn't scratch up your phone. It's got the nice soft feel to it. Got the cutouts for your camera. The button silicone on the side is very flexible. So you're really going to feel the buttons from the iPhone itself. A little mute button. Got your cutouts for your charger, your speaker. It's pretty firm, especially on the bottoms. It's not bad on the sides either. It's not like all those other cheap silicone cases that after you use them for some time, they get real flimsy on the sides. This is pretty firm, so that should stay pretty nice for a while. So let's go ahead and put the iPhone in here. As you can see, you just kind of pop it in. It's the power button on the side here, very clicky. Nice and responsive. The buttons don't protrude out the side, so everything's nice and flush. There's your little mute button there. You can easily access that. Nice and smooth. I really like that. And it's also wireless charging compatible too. So I have like a little wireless charging puck here. As you can see, it's charging just fine. Don't know if you can see that very well. Let's turn the phone off. There you go. As you can see, it's charging. So that's the red case. Like I said, it's really nice and it's very firm on the side, so you don't have to worry about it, coming off the phone or, getting loose. And as you can see, there is a lip. So when you put your phone down, face down, you don't have to worry about the glass touching whatever you put it down. And it's, it's grippy, so it doesn't move very easily. So you don't have to worry about sliding around. So let's check out the black case. All right, so here is the black case. I particularly like this one the best just because my phone is black. Even though you're not going to see it, I just particularly like the black color itself. So the way you put this in is you put this in the top first, and then the bottom is a little bit more flexible to get the phone in there. So go ahead and pop this into the top. Then we'll push down on the bottoms here, and that pops in nice and neat, just like that. I like that because the orange stands out a little more. So you can hear the buttons. Nice and clicky. Very responsive. You see the volume buttons, up and down, power button. It's It's got that little lip. There are the cutouts on the bottom here. Everything's easily accessible. Very nice. I like it. So again, this is the iPhone XR case by Jasbon, and again, I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check them out yourself. And also, here's a look at what the screen protector looks like on the phone. As you can see, it has the cutout for the notch, and it almost covers the whole phone, but it leaves a generous amount of edge around the phone, just so pretty much every case that you're going to use will be compatible with that glass. It really doesn't need to cover, the whole edge, because you start coming close to that curve, and that's when the screen protectors get really hard to put on and stay on. So this kind of covers, all the important parts. If you're going to drop your phone or something's going to hit the glass, it's going to be on this main portion here, because it's pretty much covered by the case on the edges. So that's what you're looking at with the screen protector. It's pretty nice. That's pretty much it for the case. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.